How's your day going? Pretty good. I'm feeling great. Hey, I wanna to ask you something. Do you think it's okay for men to do household chores like laundry, cooking, and washing dishes? Absolutely. Why wouldn't it be okay? Well, you know, some people still think those things are mainly a woman's job, especially in Indonesia. There's still a taboo around men doing housework. Some consider it unmanly. What's your opinion on that? I think that's an outdated view, don't you think? I mean, it's 2024, not 1924. Responsibilities at home shouldn't be based on gender. Yes, you're absolutely right. Perhaps that mindset belongs to our parents' generation. From a sociocultural perspective, since our ancestors, there seems to have been a division of labor between man and woman in household. Men who are the head of the family work to earn a living, while women who are housewives take care of all the work in the house such as doing laundry, cooking, washing dishes, clean the house, babysitting, and so on. But I think times have changed. A man doing housework is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of partnership. Isn't that so? So, why do only women do housework? Do some men feel ashamed and prestigious when doing housework? A man generally does house chores that are masculine in nature, such as washing the car or gardening. Therefore, a man, when he wants to work on cleaning the house, may also feel embarrassed and grumpy because it is a woman's job. Men who do home chores are also often not spared from gossip and even ridicule from others. There are people who say the man is just like a woman. What is the best way to overcome the negative stigma in society towards men doing housework? In my opinion, overcoming the negative stigma towards men do housework requires a concerted effort from various parties, including education, media, policy, and families. With a comprehensive and sustainable approach, society can move towards greater gender equality and appreciate men's contribution to domestic work. How does culture influence the division of household labor between men and women? The view that only women should take care of housework is outdated and no longer relevant in today's modern society. Today, there are many social movements that lead to gender equality. The idea that housework is only the responsibility of women is not only unfair, but also socially and economically detrimental to women. If that's the case, how do you think household chores can be shared equally between men and women? One of the first steps is to have transparency in communication, which can help in understanding the burden felt by each party. In addition, flexibility and adjustment are needed. Conditions and situations can change, so it is important to remain flexible and willing to adjust the division of tasks. For example, if one partner is busy with work or experiencing health issues, the other partner can take over more of the household duties temporarily. Last but not least, it is important to overcome gender stereotypes that consider household chores as a woman's job only. This can be done by supporting each other and showing that involvement in household chores is a shared responsibility that is not by a gender. So, what do you think? Can men's involvement in household chores reduce the burden on women? Yes, I agree with you. In my opinion, when men participate in household chores, the workload previously shouldered by women can be significantly reduced. This allows for a more fair and equitable division of tasks so that women do not feel overburdened with household responsibilities. Why do social norms in Indonesia often require women to take on more domestic work? Especially in Indonesia, women are required to be wives, mothers, teachers, and someone who must take care of their own needs. National Women's Commission survey shows that the burden of household chores is still borne by women. In fact, twice as much as men. In addition, according to social norms, women are often required to take over more domestic work because it is considered their nature, when in fact, there are only three natures of women, namely menstruation, childbirth, and breastfeeding. The rest is not nature, which means that men or women can do other household chores. By the way, do you realize that in this day and age, men are indirectly asked to be able to do household chores such as doing laundry, cooking, washing dishes, babysitting, and so on? How do you think about it? Yes, I am realized about that. In my opinion, all household chores are basic skills that we need to live independently. Household chores are jobs that everyone should be able to do. It is not a despicable job that is only done by maids. How do men view a woman who cannot do housework such as laundry, cooking, washing dishes, babysitting, and so on? Depending on the mindset of the man, there are several views of a man on this matter. When men who hold traditional view may see women's inability to do housework as negative. They may feel that women should be able to do this task because it is the social norms that they are familiar with. Meanwhile, men who hold modern views and support gender equality may see women's inability to do household chores as okay. They recognize that each individual has different skills and interests. In addition, there are also men who hold the view that they value women who focus on their careers, education, or other interests that may reduce their time or ability to do household chores. They understand and support the life choices women take. In Indonesia, this kind of role change is still very taboo, where the norm in Indonesia is that the husband works and the wife does the work at home, such as washing dishes and clothes. Then, how can we normalize that it is okay for men to do household chores, such as doing laundry, cooking, washing dishes, babysitting, and so on? Basically, we do have to learn to respect differences. It's okay to be different in this regard. Nowadays, there are many husbands and wives who swap roles. Wives work, husbands take care of the household. As long as they are committed to each other and make an agreement, this kind of relationship can last. Unlike wives who always assume that husbands should work and wives do household chores. Finally, in some cases that occur, this kind of relationship ends in divorce. Why is it important to show children that household chores are not linked to gender roles? Showing children that housework is not associated with gender roles is an important step towards a more just and equal society. Not only does this help erase gender stereotypes, children who see their fathers doing household chores will understand that these tasks are not the exclusive responsibility of women. This helps erase gender stereotypes early on. They can also learn that men and women have equal roles in the household, which shapes their views on gender equality in society. As such, children will grow up with a better understanding of fairness, cooperation, and shared responsibility. By the way, how do you think children's view on gender roles can be influenced by seeing men doing household chores? I think children are greatly influenced by what they see at home. including how gender roles are played by their parents. They will learn that gender roles are not rigid and that men and women can share various responsibilities in the household and daily life. Children who see examples of their fathers doing household chores are more likely to develop the same skill, which can prepare them to become independent and self-sufficient individuals. In addition, children will also learn the value of cooperation and how to work as a team to achieve a common goal, both in the context of the household and in other situations in the future. So, by setting a good example at home, parents can help their children grow into individuals who value equality and cooperation in all aspects of life. From an educational perspective, what can be done in education to change the perception that housework is woman's nature? Changing the perceptions that housework is woman's nature through education requires a comprehensive and sustainable approach. Changing the perception that housework is woman's nature requires a concerted effort through education can be done by facilitating open discussions in the classroom about gender roles, stereotypes, and the importance of equality. Inviting students to share their views and experiences can help them see multiple perspectives. By doing so, the education system can play an important role in shaping a generation that values and practices gender equality in all aspects of life.